Yo, what's up, people? What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. The Grinch Bucks has officially launched. Oh man, to be honest, it just hit on the hour. It's 4 o'clock on the dot. My time should have been 5 o'clock on the dot for you guys. And look at this. Contract is already at almost 2,000 BNB. Is that wild or what? I bought in with one BNB, but I'm not even sure. I'm so confused in my group right now. Somebody said they can't buy. Let them know I bought. I think it says my hams 1,114. Does that mean my personal hams? I'm so confused. It says my eggs available 0. Yeah, I'm a little confused. I'm not really sure what this means, but if anybody know what's going on, let me know. I'm gonna just record this. It's already at 1 million. What the hell? Yep. Already at 1 million. We can't even look at the Telegram group because the group is muted, I believe. Oh, they unmuted it. Okay, let's see what people are saying. Wait. I told y'all about the group members last night. It was like at 100 something, about 200, I think. And look how fast. Look how fast that hit. Hold on, people. All right, people. So I'm still in the Telegram group trying to figure out. But as I was looking, I was like, look, I just compounded one time. I paused that compounded. It had reached like 13 extra dollars. So I'm guessing my ham was paying me this. Now it's at that. Let me refresh that one time. Okay. Did the whole thing freeze? Did we get rugged? No, just playing, people. Hold on to your horses. You know what I mean? In the meantime, while I try to figure out what the hell going on, just listen to this. Hold up. Yeah. Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully. $1.3 million contract. We just bingo in our crypto. Brand new money. I didn't even sleep. I'm wearing the same shirt. Look closely on my shirt. It says drip. It says drip. Can y'all believe that? And it's thundering outside. Sealer. That gotta be a sign. Know what I mean? Damn, people talking about they don't wonder why they hesitated. I got to buy in like 3 minutes before the hour. Y'all seen it? I caught it on video. I think I caught it. But I'm pretty sure I caught that on video. So I should have been live streaming this so I could just ask you guys, what the hell does eggs mean? I need to figure that out right now. This thing is driving me crazy. I got 0 eggs. Oh, what do these eggs mean? What do these eggs mean? Yeah, same drip. Did I ask this group already? Let's see. What does the eggs mean? I should just be reading it. Let me see. Available eggs, whatever that is. But as you can see, my BNB value is actually going up by the second. This is going crazy, people. I'm gonna put my link down below. Y'all need to hop into this while it's still hot. I ain't gonna waste too much time. You feel me? Damn, I accidentally deleted the song thing. I was gonna play the song one more time. I'll just sing it live. Come on, see. Yeah. You feel come on, see. Cryptocurrency. Come on, see. DeFi bully. Nasa Ben Kabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In our crypto. Brand new money as me wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted for the info. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes, that's Grinch Bucks. We live, people. We are live, people. Look at this contract balance. Look at this contract balance. It's at 1.3 million. What the hell? It looked like everything froze. Like, did Grinch Bucks just freeze the internet? Oh, there we go. I'm like, what in the hell? We still going up, people. I should be compounded so I get the maximum amount of hams from now. Okay. I'm not really sure what all these things are, but I'll figure it out soon and have a follow-up video for you guys. I'm liking this interface a little bit different, look like Dr. Seuss. Right now, I feel like I need some caviar and some lobster tails and green eggs and ham. You feel me? But yeah, this is not financial advice, but join up. This is not financial advice, but join up while you can. Hop in, people.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.